Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher of Mathematics in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2022 Paper 1. This is question number 14 from multiple choice questions, multiple correct questions. And this question says, this vertical lines M denote the determinant of a square. Let G closed bracket 0 comma pi by 2 to R be the function defined by G theta is equal to under root of F theta minus 1 plus under root of F pi by 2 minus theta minus 1, where F theta is given as half of this determinant plus this another determinant. Px is a quadratic polynomial whose roots are maximum and minimum values of function this G theta, and P2 is 2 minus root 2. Then which of the following is R2? Now please see. I will start by solving for F theta. Okay. You can notice that this another determinant D2, you can write this as D2. This is skew symmetric. I will write it here. D2 is determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. You can check why. Skew symmetric matrix. Why I am saying so? Please see. This element cos theta plus pi by 4 is negative of sine theta minus pi by 4. It can be checked very easily. Similarly, tan theta minus pi by 4 is negative of cot theta plus pi by 4. Log 4 by pi and log pi by 4 are also negative of each other. And all the elements written in that diagonal are 0, 0, 0. So this D2 will have value 0 only. Okay, so if I have to solve for that, I think we just have to solve first determinant. And here also you can check the first row has 1 sine theta 1 and last row has 1 minus sine theta 1. So if I add my first row into the third one or converse also, you will get 2 0 in one of the row. So here we will get 0, here also we will get 0, and here we will get 2. And that D2, as I told you, it's the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of 3 into 3 order. 3 into 3 order. So that means D2 has to be 0. Okay, so what is F theta then? 1 by 2 into 2 into, I will be expanding it like this, 1 plus sine square theta. Okay, so F theta we have got as 1 plus sine square theta. Now what will be my G theta then? G theta means it will be F theta minus 1 under root. So it has to be mod sine theta plus, in place of theta I need to write pi by 2 minus theta. That means this sine theta will become cos theta. So cos theta, mod cos theta here. But because this domain is only 0 to pi by 2, there is no need to write any mod. You can write it without mod also this way, sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, in first quadrant 0 to pi by 2, that maximum value will be root 2. That will happen at theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, that's a very standard thing. And minimum value will be either at 0 or pi by 2, it will be 1. It will be at theta is equal to 0 or pi by 2. We can also write this as root 2 into sine of theta plus pi by 4. Then it becomes more easy to see that what will be its maximum value at pi by 4 and what will be its minimum value. Minimum value will happen when we will take this, we will take the least possible value of this sine of theta plus pi by 4. This theta plus pi by 4 will take a value from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. You can check, and in this interval the minimum value of sine happens at pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Both gives you same, so minimum value will be 1. So we have got maximum and minimum value. Now we have to find Px, whose roots are maximum value and minimum value of this G theta. So x minus root 2, x minus 1. And you can check here, leading coefficient will be 1. Leading coefficient will be 1 because at 2 the value is 2 minus root 2. Okay, so my Px is just x minus root 2 into x minus 1. Okay, now whatever remaining we will try to do it on the next slide. So we have got Px to be equal to x minus root 2 and x minus 1. So that's the upward parabola, very straightforward question after this. Okay, whose roots are 1 and root 2. Okay, now they are asking the value of this polynomial at these numbers. Now the remaining question is only to find whether 3 plus root 2 by 4 lies between 1 and root 2 or lies below or after root 2. So you can check this 3 plus root 2. Okay, root 2 is 1.414. So that will become 4.414 by 4. So you can check it will be greater than 1, but it will be lesser than root 2, isn't it? Because root 2 is 1.414. If you divide it by 4, so it will be 1.1 something. So this will be lying between 1 and root 2. That means value at 3 plus root 2 by 4 has to be negative. Okay, so this way. Now similarly, 1 plus 3 root 2 by 4, if we have to check, okay, this will be approximately 1 plus 1.414. If I multiply by 3, it will be 4.242 by 4, which is approximately 5.242 by 4. Okay, again this is greater than 1, and if I divide by 4, it will be 1.3 something, 1.31, which is once again lesser than root 2. Okay, so this is again a number which is greater than this in option A, but it is still lesser than root 2. So this will be wrong option, because at this we will get negative value, whereas they are saying it is positive. Similarly, 5 root 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, 5 root 2 will be how much? 1.414 into 5. I think it will become 7.070 minus 1 upon 4. So it will be 6.070 by 4, and once again it is greater than 1, but I think it is greater than 2 also, because it is greater than 1.5, so it is greater than root 2. So it will be lying somewhere here. So the value at this value at this number 5 root 2 minus 1 by 4 has to be positive, because it is lying this way. Okay, now similarly the last one, 5 minus root 2 by 4, I think it will be less than 1. 5 minus 1.414 upon 4, I think it is less than 1. So it will be lying here. The value at this has to be positive, but they have given negative. So answer for this question has to be A and C only. This completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more such solutions.